So here's our bread. It's been 40 minutes rising. So now I'm gonna put it here and score it. I'm gonna bake in the preheated oven, 250 Celsius and 482 Fahrenheit. So I'm gonna open it, show you what it looks like. You ready? So the nice decent rise. So now I'm gonna score it and bake. I'm gonna score with just a nice line, one single line. It's not sharp enough, is it? I'm gonna cover with this to create that steam. I'm gonna bake for 12 minutes and I'll take it out, remove the lid, bake for another 10-15 minutes until it's nice and golden. Now the bread is in the oven, just we're gonna wait and we're gonna see what it looks like. So I woke up this morning, I went for a run and I came back. I realized there's no bread and I thought, oh, I'm going to the bakery anyhow. So I'm gonna make some bread. I'm gonna make some brown bread to eat with seeds and nuts. So now I'm waiting for the bread. I haven't eaten anything. It is 1 o'clock now. So I've been fasting by force because I'm waiting for the bread. So yeah, we'll see what it looks like in a minute. When this is out, well, say in half an hour. Actually, I didn't put a time on, but it's 1 o'clock, so I should know by 1:15 I can remove it and we open and find out what it looks like. So if you think the hydration is a little bit too high, don't worry about it because the seed will soak up that water. So you put the hydration a little bit high at the beginning and then, so in the beginning, so that the seed you can soak up the hydration. Because if you put really low, it'll be really dense and hard. But even then, you've seen it's a little bit harder because the seeds and nuts, they soak up the hydration. So put that water and milk. The milk is more about flavor and olive oil is about flavor as well. It's not necessary if you don't want to put milk, or if you, let's say, you're vegan, don't want the milk in there, just use oil. No, just water. Make sure the dough is fully mixed, ready to go, and then just add the seeds. And then mix again just to combine it. And then take it out, let it rest, and come back and shape it. Don't even need to pre-shape it, just shape it, put it into the proof mode. And then bake and enjoy with butter. So here the bread, the first bake, the first 15 minutes in. Now I'll take it back to bake another 15 minutes to get the colors everywhere and nice and baked. Looking good. Bread back in the oven, baking. So now I've dropped the temperature to 230 degrees Celsius, not 250. So now it will be nice and slow. So baked inside and while it's coloring outside as well. So yeah, now I can't wait. Estou com muita fome, vá? Assim.